Hey everybody, welcome to week 34. It is a testing week, so I really hope that everybody takes their time and does their best. Make sure you get sleep, make sure you eat, make sure you get there on time, all of that. We're going to go ahead, because it's a testing week, we're not going to start anything new. So we are going to just continue with code.org. And we have vocabulary this week. Last week was a typing week. The big thing that I need to tell you is there is no meeting on Wednesday. I am on campus helping with testing, so I can't do the live meeting on Wednesday. So there will be one this Monday and then the following Monday, and then I should be able to have the following Wednesday. They haven't said anything about helping test next week. If you are coming on campus, I know many of you are supposed to come on campus on Thursday and Friday, so if you do, make sure you look for me, because I'm supposed to be doing the e-learners, the testing for some of the e-learners. Not sure what grade or anything, but anyway, it would be great to put a face to a name. So, like I said, this week it is code.org. So we have lesson 11, 12, and 13. So they're the same things that we've been doing, 1 for assignment 1 and 2 for assignment 2. Vocabulary for week 3 is a review game. It's the same vocabulary we've had for the last few weeks. It's a review, but it is the key to code.org. So you get to take the test one time, but it should be very easy for you. As always, if you have any problems or questions, please message me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If not, have a great week and make sure you do your best.